So your hat don't fly off your head?
Yeah, my ears don't get cold, my freaking hood's flying
Hold on, Devin. That wind took it out of my hand and stabbed you in the knee with it. Golly. So windy up here. We had to strap the trash can to the pipe. Listen here, Drip Edge. You're supposed to stay on the roof. You're not supposed to fall off of it, okay? Stay put. Oh! Get it! We might use double the staples today.
Something hit the ground over here. Gonna have to about took me down. I'm just glad it wasn't about 10 or 15 degrees colder.
Oh, that would freaking hurt worse. You weren't supposed to use that one. It's a broken one. Golly, it's in my broken pile.
That's a broken pile?
Yeah.
Well, how are we supposed to know that?
Someone messed it. That's how you're supposed to know. Hey, calm down. Look at that.
Here, I'll label it broken.
What the frick, Devin? The nail line is an inch above that.
Oh crap, I missed. Oh no.
We're gonna have to redo the whole roof now.
And there you have it, 46 squares. We got it done. Now we're just gonna leaf blow it, clean up, and pack up for the day. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.
Considering that I put that son of a bitch down through there and Mom seen